Hello, my name is Julie Russell and I'm doing deliverable 6 on deviance. Deviance in the physical world. Deviance in the physical world is about crime, threats, or negative behavior in social world. Negative response to the world and the physical behaviors is deviant in the physical world. Deviance is heavily dependent on race, especially when it comes to crime and the justice system. For example, a white male from a middle-class area is less likely to be apprehended and is less likely to go through into the justice system than a black male from the slums, indicating dominant society inherent bias is considering acts committed by people of color to be more deviant than acts committed by their white counterparts. So with this deviance in the physical world at the store, we just have to watch what is happening in every person that comes in the store. With the stealing and the crime rate, we just have to keep an eye out for what is happening within our store. Deviance in the digital or online world. Deviance is not just hacking, cracking, or web page defacing. It's become cyber stalking or cyber harassment in a digital world. Cyber stalking is mostly men stalking women online and harassing on different types of websites or web pages. There are people for cyberbullying to children at all different ages, and some mean things online and said it to their faces. So cyberbullying has become really bad when younger generations, where some kids even commit suicide because of bullying. Deviant activities often reflect the individual's persuasive behavior through email, new group messaging, chat room, conversations. We will have to hire people to watch the websites on behavior levels of our employees and then post if it's not a right image for our company. We will have to talk with our employees to see what is going on. There will be no bullying online or cyber stalking for any employee. Nobody should or want to stalk one of our customers, or there will be issues if there is. No employee will use mean words to customers or follow any customers online. Comparing the two, digital and physical, most bullies hide behind the computer in today's world. The physical bullying still happens, but most of it's done with new apps the kids have on their phone. On posts, and someone will be hurt by a million different people looking at it in the physical world. Or just local people will hear what is said or take a picture of it. Digitally, we also stay in the world to see until everyone takes it down or deletes it, but it's there forever. Digitally does more harm than good. It will even ruin your job or future jobs depending on what you post and said. Physically, you can take a picture or use words that will go away before you start your career and not much harm is done, but many physical harm to your ego from being bullied from the digital seems to hurt more and stay around. Impact on deviance of the digital and physical society. The impact on digital and physical society has our employees to remember to work smart online. Watch what we post, what is being posted about the company and themselves. Physically, we need to stop complaining about problems and start changing the problem. Third, appreciating what we have at the store will get along with the other employees. We will find out what are the issues you see and happening with the employees if they have issues with one another. Physical words and actions to one another can affect the company and how we do business. The way our employees act reflect the company and how society will see our business as a whole. Conflict theory. Define deviance. Conflict theory with deviance are behaviors that have to go along with the social institution. Conflict theory draws attention to power differences such as class conflict, general contrast, history, domain. It is therefore a micro-level analysis of the society. With our company, we have many different cultures working in our store. We will treat everyone the same. We don't want to conflict between each other, so we learn to get along and keep the peace while we work. Everyone has their own opinion and are entitled to it, but at work we all think and work and how we can have happy customers. Symbolic interaction theory and deviance, labeling employees before you get to know them. We all must get along at work, and labeling a coworker before you even talk to them because they may look or act different. Maybe the coworker that I teamed you up with will be your new friend, and you just gave them a label before you even met them. Symbolic interaction is a theoretical approach that can be used to explain how society and its social groups come to view behaviors as deviant or conventional. Labeling theory differs sociology, social disorganizational theory, and controls theory falls within the realm of the symbolic interaction. The Internet theories discuss impact meaning on the deviance in the digital environment. The Internet, mobile apps, and information technology are now enabled in the social structure of finance, health, education, and business in many countries throughout the world. Almost everybody has the Internet at their fingers. The Internet doesn't show us who or what or how someone is using the Internet to steal, fraud, or harass against our company. The Internet may be able to say it's someone who is, but is not them. Online takes away from store business. Might be are working on ways to figure out ways around that. Internet stockholders and external stockholders like to see numbers on what is happening in the digital world and how deviance affects the numbers in our store. So we all get together and discuss the ways we are working and what we should do to protect our company. Working together and learning what is going on is always good for business. Deviance due to technical advances. Technology is always changing, and the next hacker is always a step ahead of everybody. If they weren't, they wouldn't be a hacker. So protecting our company is our main priority since technology is so advanced now. We have to keep up with the hacker to protect our employees and customers. Putting extra spyware on the computers we use for everything. Watching what emails are coming to make sure they are safe, and to watch is posted for our company to make sure there is nothing attached to the programs out there. So we have a department just to watch the hackers and what our employees are doing so we don't get any viruses or worms. We must keep ourselves protected from everything. Letting our employees know, manage day-to-day various forms of deviance. Letting our employees know they are awesome and doing a great job. Giving them a service overall on how they are doing and showing them what a great job they are doing to keep and help boost their jobs. Give some sort of praise should lower the deviance in the department. If employees giving overwhelmed or looking for help is coming out in a deviant act, we step in. We are learning together and we should help out when needed. Some employees should keep a lookout for signs of someone looking deviant and let their managers know if she can handle the problem. Thank you, and that concludes my video collage.